Want to turn your WordPress website visitors into your most powerful marketing asset? Let's create a free referral program with PayPal. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. We're going to need a plugin to handle the referrals. Head over to the plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type referral program. Browse through the available options. Look for a plugin that offers core referral tracking features for free, such as invite referrals, referral system, or similar. Make sure to check the reviews and active installations. Once you've found a suitable plugin, click Install Now, then Activate. Now, navigate to the settings page of the newly installed referral plugin. The location will vary depending on the plugin. You'll generally find it in the WordPress menu. Here's where you set up the referral rewards. This could be a percentage discount, a fixed amount off, or even a free product. The specific options will depend on the plugin you chose. Next, make sure you have PayPal configured as a payment method. Most free plugins integrate with standard WooCommerce PayPal options. Usually, you will navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings, then the Payments tab. Now find the section that generates referral links. The plugin will provide unique referral links for each user. These are the links they'll share with their friends and family. Configure where the referral link is displayed. Many plugins offer shortcodes or widgets to display the referral link on user account pages or other areas of your website. And that's it. Your referral program is live. Encourage your users to start sharing their links and earning rewards, all processed securely with PayPal. Happy referring!